So I just added some leaves I cut that were kind of just needed to be pruned back a little. But I want to show y'all what it looks like when you actually harvest some of this nutrient solution. What I like to do, this might be kind of hard to do with one hand, hopefully I don't drop my phone in here, is I screen what's going in here. That way I'm not introducing a lot of solids into my hydroponic system, but for soil it's fine. What you get is this brown liquid. The brown gold, baby. Let's see. And, you know, I've got some sediment in there still. And I'll just kind of push that back down. Try and get as much of that under the water as possible. And it's fine. But this brown, ooh, nice. This brown solution here, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into my blending tank. Let's see. How to do this while holding the phone. And now that's basically going to both my grow beds and gonna feed my plants.